Good, fam. What's good? So today, getting straight to the point, we are doing a dirt install right up on the house. They just wanted some extra dirt added, like right there underneath the house, so that way the when it rains, it doesn't like flow into the house. It just rolls right off. So he just wanted dirt added, a couple inches. So I was like, okay, let's get it. So we got a half a yard of dirt back there. We're gonna install it today and get to it. All right, so let's go. What's good, y'all? So when it comes to odd jobs, it's during the winter time, really. All right, this is the only time I really get odd jobs like this. I don't do a lot of dirt installs, but hey, it keeps extra income in the winter. So this is pretty much what I'm doing. I get a lot of calls for odd jobs in the winter time, but this supplements some of the winter income. But when you're doing like in the winter, you always want to save up. Always want to save your money for the income, so that for the winter income, so that way you don't have to go as hard or even go get another job in the winter, because that could suck, and then you have to quit that job and then go back to lawn care, landscaping. So you save your money aside during the early seasons like May, June. That way you ain't got to worry about everything in the winter, because I know there's some guys right now that's probably struggling right now. So you just save up your money, all right? But this is the me just doing this job right here, and I like it. It's cool. It's getting paid to do it. So, and this client, very good client, they get something done almost like every year around this time anyway. If not, it's definitely in the spring. But literally, just last week I did the leaf cleanup again for a second time for them. But at the end of the day, don't worry. Just do the odd jobs, maybe junk removal, or just something that you're not used to. Maybe mulch installs. Just accept it, because it's winter income. But hey, subscribe to the channel. I hope y'all like this video. Peace.